Hi guys, I'm Kenneth from Yin Homes, and today will be my very first house tour video. So take it easy on me, yeah? I'm really excited today because today I'll be showing you a very unique 2.5-story house located in a peaceful and green neighborhood here in Taman Tun. As you can see, this house isn't facing another row of houses, so what that means for you is that you get ample parking space for your family and friends and plenty of privacy. Now let's go check out the house.
This house, completed in 1987, sits on a 20 feet by 95 feet land area, but boasts a spacious 2,700 square feet of built-up space. What sets this home apart is the owner's love and dedication. About 13 years ago, she lovingly renovated and fixed every detail, creating a comfortable and homely place for her family. Details matter and it shows. Wooden door panels, stained glass for additional light, and bathrooms all refitted. The list goes on. Every inch of this house exudes warmth and comfort.
When you step inside, the first thing you notice is the spaciousness of both the living and the dining area. The marble flooring and the solid wooden staircase adds warmth and charm to this house.
Interesting fact, in the entire TTDI, it's only the Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 6 row that came with 2.5-story layout. There are only 68 units that were originally built like this. There are two types, one with the spiral staircase and this staircase. We find that this layout works very well for young families or families with adult children. The top floor is often used as a workspace, a gym, or a TV room. For others, it's a private studio apartment. The kitchen is divided into wet and dry sections, and there's even a guest bathroom right here. Plus, a nice little helper's room tucked away with its own bathroom. And don't forget the open backyard, just the right amount of space for your laundry area. On the first floor, you'll find a family area with a gorgeous indoor courtyard right outside the bedrooms, perfect for a TV or play area.
This master bedroom offers a spacious retreat. When you wake up in the morning, you will face beautiful greens, you hear birds chirping happily, and you get the delightful morning sunlight bathing on you. Nice.
As you walk towards the upper floor, you'll appreciate the wide staircases, a rarity in 2.5-story homes. This floor features 2 rooms, 1 bedroom, and a study room. But what's truly special is the top floor, which overlooks the entire TTDI, an unmatched condo-like view.
This top floor room is as big as a private studio apartment with a $1 million view to match. Imagine your very own private space, complete with a balcony for your morning coffee and sunset yoga.
Let's talk about price. A basic 2-story terrace house in the Datuk Sulaiman area with an average built-up area of 1,800 square feet transacts at around the 1.65 million to 1.8 million range. This house is already extended for both the kitchen and bedrooms, bringing the total built-up of this house to 2,700 square feet, with the additional half-story on the top floor. If you were to convert the 2-story into a 2.5-story, you're looking at adding approximately 900 square feet for floor space. With current renovation costs at 300 ringgit per square feet, that would be an additional 270,000 ringgit excluding time and opportunity costs. Not forgetting it will take at least 6 months to complete the additional floor space. You'd also need to allocate 200,000 to 250,000 for carpentry works, wiring, and other aesthetic works for a basic unit. However, for this home, it comes with a floor space of 2,700 square feet, and I reckon it demands only a minor refresh of approximately 100,000 ringgit to bring the design to 2023. Even without negotiation, the total moving cost for this home is 2.2 million, giving you a monetary saving of at least 100,000 ringgit without factoring in time and opportunity costs.
And that concludes our house tour of this exceptional 2.5-story house. With its unique features, thoughtful renovations, and serene surroundings, it is not just a home, it is a masterpiece. And all of this comes with a 2.1 million ringgit price tag. And if you're ready to make this house your own, please contact us today for more details. Thank you for watching. I'm Kenneth from Yin Homes. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified on our next homecoming home tour video. I hope to see you soon again. It's been a pleasure. Bye!